Oh, okay. I'm having technical difficulties with my computer. Anyways, yeah, I'm filming this on my computer. So, I'm going to show you guys how to make, an American Girl doll, or like a dollhouse candle, for either American Girl dolls, or Barbies. So, you just need some, like, wax that you have for your braces. I'm just using this kind of, and it looks like this. I already made the candle shape because it takes a while to make it. So, this is the Barbie size one. That's that's what it looks like when it's done. This is the American Girl sized one. That's what it looks like when it's done. So, all you need is wax and a pencil. So you're first going to take your pencil, stick it into the bottom of the wax. See that? So it's like this. Inside the pencil. You're going to hold onto the wax. Try to do it in a way so you guys can see. And you're just going to start by pushing into the lid to get it to go through until you see it on the other side. You want to get through the other side. Oh, it's not that long. You're going to push slowly. It doesn't break like I just broke it. Okay. But I think it might work. Even though I just broke it. I think it might still work. So then you're gonna, oops. I think it just broke again. Yeah, it just broke again, okay. Oops. This is broken, so it's just doing it. Okay. And then you're gonna attempt to pull it out, but you wanna make sure you have a little extra. So, like that. And then you're gonna push this up. And you're gonna, oops. Dang it! Okay, I guess this is the top part. This is the top, there we go. Wait, you can't see it. Okay. There. And now you're gonna, yeah, and then you're gonna take a really small piece from there, from another piece of wax, from your wax. You're gonna take it, not from the piece that's formed as a candle. Do not take a piece from that. From just extra wax, and then into a little ball and stick it on the bottom of the candle to keep the light from coming out at the bottom. So like you're basically covering the hole that your pencil made. And make sure the bottom is flat. You can even use your tabletop surface, like a flat surface, like a table or your computer. See, like that. Just okay. And then pretty much that's it. There you go. You have a little candle. So I have 2 candles. 2 and 2. There you go. Bye. Happy crafting.